Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable mobile hotspot and explain all of its settings on your Realme Narzo 50A Prime, but it also works on any Realme Narzo 50 series. So in order to do that, we'll need to go to our settings, then find network and internet, hotspot and tethering, Wi-Fi hotspot, and you can enable it right here. Now the second way to enable or disable it is to scroll down our toolbar, scroll down again, and for me it's located right here. There's a hotspot icon. I can disable or enable it, easy, but for you it might be located somewhere else in this toolbar, so just look for it. So now that we have to know how to enable it, let's disable it, and we'll be able to change its options. So the first one is a hotspot name. You can pick any, and that's how it's going to be visible on our other devices. So for me, this one is fine. Let's keep it. The security certificate, which you can change from VPA3, VPA2, VPA2 by VPA3. So I'm just going to pick VPA2. Hotspot password, which needs to contain at least 8 digits. So let's just do it simple with 1 to 8. AP band, which changes the speed or reach of your mobile hotspot network. You can change it to 2.4 and then you will have more reach but less speed, and you can change it to 5.0 and have much more speed but a bit less range. Next option is to turn off hotspot automatically, so if no device is connected to your mobile hotspot for around 15 minutes, it will disconnect, it will turn off. The next option is max connections, which you can change how many devices can connect to this mobile hotspot. So let's pick 2. You can hide or unhide the SSID, and that means it won't be, if it's hidden, it won't be visible on our other devices. You can enable whitelist mode, and that means that you can create the list of allowed devices that can connect to this mobile hotspot by pressing on this plus manually add whitelist device, like that. You will need to give device name and device MAC. Here you can also see connected users. You can press on that, and actually for this nothing happens, but we'll see if we connect our phone if that changes. And that's basically makes it for the mobile hotspot. Let's make it, let's disable whitelist and disable the hidden SSID, and we can actually try connecting other device to our mobile hotspot. So here's my second phone. I'm just gonna go to the Wi-Fi, enable the hotspot, make sure it's on, refresh the page, and let's wait till it actually appears. It's right here. We can press on it, enter the password which we just changed a second ago, and we are connected. So now you can see that one device is connected. Let's go back, and here we can see the connected device. We can press on it, you can add it to the whitelist, and that way you don't need to do it manually. And that makes it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.